Gemini and Fourth. This guys really made everyone believe that everything is just not for show. Their friendship is very much real in real life. Gemini himself once said that the respect and care he has for Fourth as a best friend, he never felt like this ever for any other friend. This statement shows how much they both really care for each other and are there for each other no matter what. They played the lead couple in the BL series called My Love Mix-Up, My School President and many more. Everyone loved their chemistry and really started to ship them as a real couple, but in real life they are each other's bestest buddies. Gemini and Fourth's friendship is so genuine, like the way they support each other in private is very telling. What they have is not for show. Social media postings don't define their bond. They will always be each other's biggest support system. We really need this type of bond more in BL industries for sure. Net Serafop and JJ Radchapo Phonpinit. This both guys are now coming with a new BL series named Love Upon a Time. This is the new BL couple in the town. We always love to see Net and James together. But now the James has decided to pursue his career as a singer, so he stepped out of the BL drama, and new partner of Net is JJ. Net and JJ has now become the talk of the town. But their friendship is the real thing to talk now. They know each other for about a year, but in very less time they have become so much close to each other. If you see their video sessions, they are very real in front of each other. They never fake anything. Their cute communication and gesture shows how the pure and close their friendship is. Net and JJ has seen at many events and places together, as their new BL series is coming soon. At that places there are really looked caring towards each other. They also spent most of the time with each other only. They go for outing, for movies, restaurant, trying new dishes. They are really comfortable with each other, and this shows that how pure their friendship is. So guys, this is the new best buddies we got in the BL industries, Celeb and Nut. They met each other while filming for the Pit Babe series, and from then their journey of friendship started. Their friendship is the cutest friendship to see in real life. Celeb himself confessed that whenever he is with Nut, he cannot stop laughing. He is really genuine person, and I like that there is nothing fake in our friendship. By this statement, this is 100% sure that they are real buddies. They always being seen with each other. Even when their promotional events of the BL series, they always sit side by side to each other. When the team is getting a selfie photo, and if Celeb and Nut are away from each other, they instantly come close to each other so that they can be with each other in their photos. These things are the most important and genuine things that shows that the friendship is true. This new best friend friendship is surely going to make a huge success in future.